Hey guys, this is Jen here from the teen department, and today I'm going to show you how to make sugar cone Christmas trees. And what I have here is some sugar cones, got Twizzlers, got some icing, some green food coloring, M&Ms, and some dots. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I went ahead and I mixed up the frosting and the green food coloring, if you can see that here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just put it on the cone. Let me just grab a spoonful and get started. So I'm just trying to get it on here evenly. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. Actually, it won't be because it's kind of messy. But I'm just going to try to get it covered decent enough. Go ahead and scrape it on there a little bit. I did wash my hands, so they're clean. Like I said, it is a bit messy, but just try to get as much on there as I can. Make sure to cover it all green. Let's see. Almost. Yeah, it does not have to be pretty. I got almost all of it on there. And I'll show you what to do after the cone is covered with the frosting. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. It's really not much to it, other than it's just messy. Okay, so I think that looks decent enough. So now that I went ahead and got that out of the way, let's go ahead and wipe my fingers a little bit here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of M&Ms on there to kind of make it like ornaments. Let's go here, there. Let me get some blue. Some blue and some brown as well. Yellow. You just put however many you want. Okay, I think that looks decent enough. And then I'm going to grab some Twizzlers, and I'm just going to take some of the smaller pieces off to kind of wrap it around the tree. And I could have done that first before I put on the M&Ms, but you can do it after too. It doesn't really matter, like the order or the sequence of it. Okay. And then I'm just gonna kind of wrap it around, just like that. Okay. Okay. And once I've done that, now I'm going to finish off with a topper. And that's what I'm going to use the dot candy piece for. Too bad it's not shaped like a star, but this will work. I'm just going to top it off like that. And hopefully it will stay. We'll see. And there you go. That is how I made the sugar cone Christmas tree. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!